Kindly check the description box below for the detailed recipe and the ingredients list. So here we would be needing around half a cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 whole garlic, finely chopped, some parsley leaves, finely chopped, that would be for garnishing, and red chili flakes, around 1 tablespoon, and a whole bunch of spaghetti, boiled with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of salt. Completely submerge them. See that you don't break them into pieces. Kindly keep checking on every 2 to 3 minutes. See that you don't overcook them. Also, it just needs hardly 8 to 10 minutes. So that's the approx time you need to cook it. Also added some black pepper powder, which is completely optional. Apologize for not clicking a photo of it. Thanks for watching Dimples and Arabian Journey. If you like my videos, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Stay connected with our Facebook page, Floor and Aroma. Thank you so much.